So I'd like you to meet Hugo. He's a 20-year-old French guy. He lives a life filled with digital interactions. He holds his mobile. Throughout the day, he finishes many things, order foods with a swipe, but today he needs some cash. So he approaches the ATM. He looks at the screen. It's a bit oldish design. And then he hesitates a little. Then he touches the screen. How does it work? There. All right.
It doesn't like animations for some reason.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. It's just that I know where it is. Okay, so when he touches the screen, nothing happens. Thank you. So what's going on here? Is it broken? What happens? Actually, for Hugo, who is accustomed to digital interactions, this is not just a convenience, it's like instinctive. And when the physical world does not respond in the way he expects, that seems a little bit out of place. And that's where we need to focus our attention. Since its debut in 1967, the ATMs have come a long way. At first, it offered just one transaction, cash withdrawal. But today, it is a multifunctional device offering lots of different transactions, deposits, transfers, bill payments, you name it. We have heard today a lot the phrase digital transformation. And this is what the banks are doing, and it's very important that they succeed in that. So using digital technology in order to meet changed customer expectation and also make some reduction in costs and so on. So in this digital transformation, consumer experience is really essential. You cannot succeed really in the digital situation, in the digital transformation, if you neglect consumer experience. So the focus is no longer in internal efficiency, but providing the consumer the best experience. For example, if I can raise my limit, monthly limit, wherever I am currently at any time I want, that's fine, I'm happy, I'm in control, I like that service. But if that service is buggy, if it doesn't work every now and then, or it's too slow, then the bank has missed its target. To succeed in digital transformation, so institutions must provide the best consumer experience that there is. And important thing, the ATM must be the part of it. So basically it must break out of its silo and connect to the other systems in the bank. Like, it needs to know what happened at the branch, what I did on my mobile, what transaction I have just finished through the call center, and so on. So it has to become a part of the global consumer journey. So how do we make an ATM a digital channel, really truly digital channel? You notice this strange word at the beginning of this slide presentation, Phygital. It's a blend of physical and digital. Basically, physical touch points like ATM, branches, and so on are enhanced digitally in order to cater for the changed consumer experience. At NCR Atleos, it is our job to build ATMs. We make hardware. Also, we are developing software that powers them. And I hope you have heard about NCR Atleos. We've been around here quite a lot. Founded in 1884. We are present in over 200 countries and territories via direct sales or via our channel partners. And we are the largest independent ATM operator in the world. So back to the presentation. What I've just emphasized, it is our job to build the ATMs, to build the software, and we have thought how to make this Phygital world. The key driver for us is to provide a solution that will help us help our customers to build the best relationship with their consumers. So this is like a goal that we were aiming for. And the right side of the slide shows a little bit of the mechanic. We have realized after deep thoughts that we need to have a solution which will deliver new services which we can create faster than ever to the right person at the right time and location. Let's dissect a little bit this thought. So where is the terminal? Maybe you have a terminal at the city center where people frequently go, or it is somewhere near the airport. It is maybe you are taking care of a certain area, maybe certain language groups that needs to be serviced, or you are maybe servicing different countries. Those are all different contexts in which you may want to achieve different things, different goals. So also you can have in your fleet different type of devices like kiosk, ATM. Another important factor is when. For example, is the branch open or closed? Do you want to add some services after the branch closes? Or do you want to add services, let's say, at the beginning of a year? An example from Morocco, they pay their car taxes normally in January. So everyone wants to pay taxes. If you do it on an ATM, you need to have that service there. So it's only in January. Or maybe you want a service that will last only 2 weeks, maybe some charity donation. Maybe you want to customize the behavior of your terminals around lunchtime or around some certain holiday date and so on. So this was about where and when. But also it is important to know who comes at your ATM. Who is in front of the device? Is it individual? Is it a merchant? Because if it is a merchant, he will need some more services. Maybe you can offer coin deposit or coin roll dispenser. Maybe you will allow him to select the notes that he wants to withdraw. It's still a withdrawal, but different kind of withdrawal. You can create special consumer services for disabled people, and this can go a long way in terms of caring for such individuals and showing that your bank is not just caring for the majority, but for all its customers. And also, you cannot just add another service upon a service, because in the end, people will get lost. there will be too many services that are unrelated to you. So you have to personalize that, like really know what I need and offer that to me. For example, if for a young people you have everything prepared, the preferred amount, you know what the transaction is, and the young people, young persons has a feeling, oh, I'm recognized here, I'm valued here. That's a nice feeling. And if he finishes transaction, let's say just 10 seconds quicker, he goes away satisfied. It's a digital interaction, and he likes it. Well, yes, I've talked a lot about different categories and how you can cater for different use cases. Let's move on. This slide actually shows how we did it. On the left side, you can see the legacy solutions, and we call it application. This is the application-oriented model. So basically, when you want to have something new, you think about it, you have a good idea, you talk about it with your colleagues, you define what needs to be changed, how it should work, and then it enters into the roadmap of the application, and let's say in version 3.2 you will receive the update, and every customer will have that same application or service delivered. Like this. So this is the application-oriented model. This is how it works. It's a long cycle. It can take weeks, months, maybe even years. And that's why we don't see much happening in this space. So we didn't want that model. We wanted NDC Enterprise with a consumer service-oriented model. So what does it mean? Maybe the best illustration is to compare it with a library. It's a library of consumer services to which you can add new service without touching the others. So it's like an Apple Store or Google Play Store. Only this is private, it's not public. It belongs to the bank, and the bank can decide, who can see this service, who can use it, and when it can use it. Pretty convenient. So that means that the same person, for example, doing the transaction at the ATM on the street, if he enters the branch, he might not see the same services available. Branch can offer more. Or obviously, two persons using the same ATM will not see the same services, will not get the same menu. So this really opens up a real flexibility, and it enables you to meet the customer expectations. We have seen at the beginning that they have changed. Many consumers expect digital experience, and now you're with this NDC Enterprise, you are able to provide really the best experience. And this means that the set of services, overall services that you have, can be specially adapted to that person or that category of consumers. So, for example, if this consumer is a merchant, you can offer like coin rolls and coins deposit. If it would not be a merchant, you would not offer this. You can select the notes, offer him to select which notes he needs. Or maybe if this ATM is near some stadium, you can offer buying some cards for the football match and so on. So segmentation against many factors. But you can even go further. You can provide exceptional experience, something that is not expected, unsolicited experience. What could that be? Well, for example, your card is about to expire. Would you like to renew it? And even if you have a sidecar with card printing, you can even print it right there on the spot. Or you see that his account has been depleted for some time, you can offer a microloan. Why not? Or you can just ask, how are you satisfied with the service? We know this hybrid architecture, so I will not spend too much time on this. NDC Enterprise is built with common technology, HTML5, so very attractive screens can be created, and the skills are not some rare skills. Those are available, web technologies. This slide displays, shows that it is not about the consumer experience. So it's not only the UI, it's the whole thing. And on the left side, you can see the screen that we have designed for the Morocco service for paying the car tax. You enter the registration number, and the virtual keyboard is actually showing you just what you need, just the numbers. At the middle, there could be 6 characters. So this is exactly what you will get there, nothing else. It's not like the whole, like we have on some mobiles, the whole alphabet, and then you can easily make a mistake. Okay, we have seen this. So with NDC Enterprise, you can really play with it. You can build it, build a new consumer service, add it to the library, integrate it with the partners if needed. If it is such a service, then you can test it right there in the browser. So you just press the simulation button and you get the screen that you have designed exactly as it would appear on a real ATM. If you need to do something more, then you do the cycle and then you publish it, which is very, very nice, even for little experiments. So I will not spend time on this. This is just a list of services that we have already implemented, and it can be much, much more than this. So NCR Atleos really takes care of the consumer experience. There is this digital integration with using new technologies, APIs, modules with which can be easily attached or detached. The brand transformation even includes, of course, in the NDC Enterprise, it's like a like your vision into like the platform that is preparing you for the future. It's already integrated with other software packages that we have. For example, this interactive, so you can add human touch to it. The consumer can just press the button, assistant button, and then the teller can take over the control of the machine. Or the AI evolution, we are also trying to integrate, and we already have such integrations with AI chatbots, and in many of our softwares we are already using this AI. So thank you very much for your attention.